is time.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jermaine. Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate everybody for stopping by. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're revisiting, hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed if you already haven't. So, this video, I'm here to talk to you guys about my 26-week money saving challenge. So, if you've been keeping up with the channel, you already know that I did 3 different money saving challenges. The first was the $20 money saving challenge, then the $5 money saving challenge, and finally the $1 money saving challenge. Alright, so I got some news for y'all. Honestly, my challenge is changing. I've decided to take that money that was just sitting here and invest it in the stock market. So, you haven't seen me in a few weeks, like 3 or 4 weeks maybe. The last time you saw me, I don't even know how much, probably like, I don't even know if I recorded it actually, but I had, I think I had like $1,200 saved up in $20 bills. So, as you can see, no 20s. I took that money out of the stash and I invested it into the stock market. If you want to know more information about that, more information about my portfolio, which is very small, but I ended up actually investing even more than that $1,200. I have probably like $2,000 invested at this point over the course of a month. And I'm excited, man. I really am excited because I was already, I already had plans for the money anyway, to create passive income. And then this whole coronavirus situation happened. The stock market hit, it went down, it hit a low. So I took advantage of that opportunity and I threw some money in there. I want to keep going with my money saving challenge just because I started it on the channel in front of you all. But at the same time, while I was saving the money, I kind of, it became too much. Like, it's just a lot of money that's just sitting there, not working, not making more money. I decided to go ahead and put that in the stock market, and honestly, I might put some more in there. There you have it. My 26-week money saving challenge. The $20 challenge is out of the window. I still have my 1s and my 5s right here. Pretty much what I'm deciding to do, as you can see right now, I have 300 right here in 1s. And I actually think that I took some 1s out of this and got like some lunch at work or something a couple times over the course since I made a last video. My plan for the challenge is to now add in the 1s and 5s that, I pick up during the month. As far as the 26-week money saving challenge goes, for the 1s, I'm pretty much done with it anyway. I was planning to save $351 for the 1s, and here's $300 right here. I could easily add in $51, but I'm just gonna go ahead and over the course of the rest of the year, if I come across the $1 bill, throw it in there. So hopefully it'll end up being, $500-600. The $5 saving challenge, I have $500 right here, wrapped up, as you can see. So in my saving challenge currently, I have $800 saved up. Here in the near future, I'll go ahead and update y'all with, how many 1s and 5s that I'm adding into the stash. And then I'm going to just stack that money up and I'm going to invest it. I'm going to hold on to it for right now, but eventually, after this challenge is over, I'm going to invest it. So that's what I plan on doing with that. Other updates, I do want to go ahead and make a video displaying my portfolio. I have a Robinhood account, and right now I feel like it's an awesome time to jump into the market. I mean, we all hear it, the stock market is crashed. So what does that mean for me as someone that's never invested in the stock market for me, that's opportunity. I've always wanted to invest in the stock market. I did some studying on it, and I just felt like at the beginning of this year, watching the prices of the stocks, each share, for certain companies, the ones that I want to invest in, they were way too much. So now those companies are on a discount, pretty much. It's like you go into your favorite store, a clothing store or something like that, or to get a home decor item, or to get some furniture or something like that, and it's on a 30% discount. Like, that's hard to beat, man. So with that happening in the stock market, I decided to go ahead and jump in there because it's an opportunity to catch some businesses while their shares are extremely low in cost, and then over the course of the rest of this year or next year and the year after that, just watch your money pile up, pretty much. Because if it's one thing that we all know, is that America is not gonna let the stock market just stay down. It's never been that way. Banks get bailed out, Wall Street gets bailed out, these hedge funds, they get bailed out. So if you put money in there, you already know it's gonna go back up. Right now it's down. So if you want to get in the stock market, this is the time to do it, because it is gonna go back up. But I'm gonna make a whole nother video about that, and just kind of let y'all know what I'm doing with my Robinhood account. If you'd like to go ahead and make a Robinhood account, I'm gonna put a link in the description below. I like Robinhood because once I signed up for it, they gave me a free share of a stock, and then if you invite other people, they give you another free share of a stock. It could be the same one, it could be a different one. It's not like they're gonna give you Amazon or something like that, but you'll get a free stock. It's free money. You can create an account, get the free stock, and then sell it the next day, or I think you have to hold it for 3 days, and then you got some free money. But anyway, my money saving challenge, as you can see, I have 800 right now. I'm going to add to this over the course of the year. I still have my checklist for like my deposits. I do plan on doing that still with the $5 saving challenge. But as far as the ones go, I'm just going to continue to add to that over the course of each month. I get a $1 bill, I'm going to throw it in the stash. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. So it's kind of changed from the beginning of this year. I was going to have a certain amount of each denomination, but now with this stock market, the coronavirus situation, I'm going to go ahead and contribute to my stock market portfolio using Robinhood. And then after that, because I've been following and listening to different, economic and investing professionals, I guess you could say, people that have experienced situations like this, in 07, 08, 09, and even in times before that, in the late 80s, and even, people that have studied the late 20s and different situations like that. And usually the housing market is going to follow what the stock market is doing. So I'd also like to purchase a house this year. My brother and I, we just started a business, which I will give you all more information about that in the future, which I'm very excited about. And I want to bring that to the channel. I want to bring him to the channel because he's way more into finances than I am. He knows way more about finances. He understands different ways that you can build wealth, different avenues that you can take to support yourself and your family. And it's all legitimate. So I want to just come to y'all and update you and kind of let you know where I'm at in my headspace and what I plan on doing with the saving challenge. So as you can see, I'm still saving, but I've invested a lot into the stock market, and I plan on continuing to invest in the stock market. I like to have a 5-figure portfolio at this time next year. So we'll see what happens. Right now, I already know. I already feel it like I'm going to get a bounce because the stock market is down right now and I'm buying at a certain price point. So a lot of people believe that it's going to be a V shape, which is saying that, the stock market was up here, it dropped, and now it's going to shoot right back up. Some people are saying it's going to be a U shape, which is like the stock market was here and it's going to go low and it's going to kind of stay low and then it's going to shoot back up. So either way it goes, I'm in it for the long haul. I'm investing in some companies that I'm excited about, some big dog companies. I already know they're going to grow. And I'm still studying certain companies that have a history of paying dividends over a course of 10, even 20 years, or even year after year, continuing to pay a higher dividend to their shareholders. So I'm excited. That's kind of what I've been on. I kind of wanted to bring it to y'all and update you. My next video will be talking about my Robinhood account. So if you're still here, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Man, I'm excited about the future of this channel. I'm excited about, the future of my financial situation, my investment situation. I do plan on, collabing with my brother and bringing him to the channel and kind of introducing y'all to him and, everything that he has going on. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. So I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.
What is time?